Good morning, dear students. Today, the topic that we are discussing is Standard Trigonometric Table and question related to that topic, right? Now, in the previous worksheet, we have discussed about trigonometric ratio, where we have to use the calculator for solving the question. But now, in this topic, we are using Standard Trigonometric Table to solve the questions. So let's just start the topic. Okay, so this is my standard trigonometric table. As you can see, for Cambridge and IGCSE students, you have sine, cos, and tan in your syllabus. But if I talk about CBSE and ICSE, you have cot, sec, and cosec as well, right? So the main thing here is sine. If you are able to find the value of sine, then you can find the remaining as well, right? So how will we do it? So there is a method of doing this, of how to find the values of sine. So what we do, we write values from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then divide it with 4, and then take the square root of it. When you take the square root of it, so 0 divided by 4 is 0. So we got 0. 1 divided by 4 and square root of it. So square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So we got 1 upon root 2. Square root of 3 is root 3 and square root of 4 is 2 and 4 upon 4 1 and square root of 1 is 1. Right? So we got the values of sine. Now to get the value of cos, you write them in reverse order. So we write 1 root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. So we got the value of cos. Now tan. So tan formula is sine theta upon cos theta. If I write tan theta, so sine upon cos. So tan 0 divided by 1. So 0 divided by 1 is 0. Then 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2. 2 cancel. What we get? 1 upon root 3. So tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3. Then tan 45. 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2. Root 2 cancel. So 1. Then 60 root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. 2 cancel. So it's root 3. And 1 upon 0. 1 divided by 0 is not defined. ND. Not defined. Right? So we got the value of 10 now. Now, not defined. Why? Because it's infinity value. So infinity we cannot define. 1 upon 0 is generally considered as infinity. So we cannot define it. Okay. Now cot, for getting the values of cot, again you write them in reverse order. Not defined. Root 3, 1, 1 upon root 3 and 0. Now to get the value of sec, sec is basically reciprocal of cos. 1 upon cos. Right. So reciprocal, the values of cos for sec, the reciprocal of 1 is 1. The reciprocal of root 3 upon 2 is 2 over root 3. You reverse the value. The value which is in denominator becomes numerator and the value which is in numerator becomes denominator. So we flip it. Okay. So 1 upon root 2 becomes root 2. 1 upon 2 becomes 2 and 0. So 0 is means 0 upon 1. Right. So when you reciprocal it becomes 1 upon 0. So not defined. And to get the value of cosec, you write them in reverse order, not defined. 2 root 2, 2 upon root 3 and 1. So this is my trigonometric table, right? Now in exam, you will get question based on this trigonometric table, you will get the standard values. Now let's see question related to this. You see this one. Let's start question number 1. Prove that cos square 30 plus sine 30 plus tan square 45 equals to 9 over 4. Now I to remember the value, but you can see it from the table. Cos 30 value is root 3 upon 2, sine 30 value is 1 upon 2 and tan 45 value is 1. So I put these values here. Cos 30 as you can see is root 3 upon 2 whole square plus sine 30 is 1 upon 2, tan 45 is 1, right? So 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Now you see denominator is same. To make the denominator same, we do times 2 here, and here we do times 4, right? So 3 plus 2 plus 4. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is 9 upon 4. So this is what we have to prove, 9 over 4. Okay. Next, if theta equals to, if theta is an acute angle and sine theta equals to cos theta, find the value of this. Sine theta equals to cos theta. So what we can do, we divide both sides by cos theta. So if you divide both sides by cos theta, what happened? This cos theta get cancelled and we got sine theta upon cos theta equals to 1. Earlier I told you that tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. So here in place of sine theta upon cos theta, we can write tan theta equals to 1. Now see in tan, for which trigonometric value of tan we have 1. So tan 45 is 1. You can see tan 45 is 1. So basically what angle we are getting from here? Theta as 45. Now put it here, 2 tan square 45 plus sine square 45 minus 1. Right. So tan square 45 means we know the value of tan 45 is 1. So 1 square plus sine 45 value. As you can see from the table here, sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Okay. So in place of this sine 45, we put 1 upon root 2. Right. So 1 upon root 2 whole square minus 1. So we got 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 upon 2 times make denominator same. So your answer is 3 over 2. So this is the answer for question number 2, 3 over 2. Right. Now next question number 3. It is given that tan 60 minus tan 30 is upon 1 plus tan 60 tan 30. Right. So what we do? We put the values here. Okay, see the trigonometric table. Whenever you have this type of question, proving type question, so we solve left hand side and right hand side separately. Okay, because we are proving something, so we cannot take them equal. We have to take it separately, right? So tan 60 value, as you can see from the calculator, tan 60 value is root 3 and tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3. So I will put it here. Okay. So tan 60 is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 over 1 plus tan 60 is root 3 and tan 30 1 upon root 3. And right hand side is tan 30, so which is 1 upon root 3. Now root 3 got cancelled. What I am getting? Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 over 1 plus 1. Now you see, we have to make the denominator same. So times root 3 in both numerator and the denominator. So what I am getting? I am getting root 3 times root 3 is 3 upon root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 divided by 2. Okay. Okay. So 3 minus 1 is 2 upon root 3 over 2. 2 cancel. What left? 1 upon root 3. And tan 30 value is also 1 upon root 3. Right. I have solved it here. Okay. So 3 minus 1 is 2 upon root 3 divided by 2. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. What left? 1 upon root 3. And right hand side is also 1 upon root 3. So hence proved. Right. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Right. Right. Next question. Question number 4. 2 sine 3 theta equals to root 3. So take this to that side. So sine 3 theta equals to root 3 divided by 2. Now we have to check for which angle we have root 3 over 2. So you know that at sine 60 we have root 3 over 2. Right? So here In place of root 3 over 2, we can write sine 60. For sine 60, we have root 3. Now you can compare the angles because these two are equal. So compare the angles. P theta equals to 60. So theta will be 60 divided by 3. That is 20 degree. Understand? So this is the answer for this one. The value of theta here is 20. Next question. Okay. Next question is this: 10a plus b equals to root 3 and 10a minus b equals to 1 over root 3. Find a and b. Again, I have to use the trigonometric table here. So 10a plus b. In the previous table, we have seen that here we have seen that 10 30 value is 1 upon root 3. You see in the table 1030 value is 1 upon root 3 and 1060 value is root 3. So I will use it, right? So here we write 1060. This is 10 a minus b equals to 1030. Now on comparing, we get a plus b equals to 60 and a minus b equals to 30. So this is my equation first and this is my equation second. So this becomes a simultaneous linear equation. If you have problem in simultaneous linear equation, I have already made a worksheet on this. You can check, okay, in my channel. So we will solve this. Here the coefficient of both a and b are same. So b coefficients are same and sign are opposite. So I told you whenever sign are same and coefficient, whenever sign are opposite and coefficient is same, then we add the equation. So we add both the equation, adding equation 1 and 2. So when I add both the equation, plus b and minus b get cancel, a plus a 2a and 60 plus 30 90. So a I am getting 90 over 2 45. Put it in first equation. So 45 plus b equals to 60. So b is 60 minus 45, that is 15. Clear? Next question. So I got the value of a and b. A is 45 and b is 15. Now next question is question number 6. Sine 60, cos 30, cos 60, sine 30, right? So again, you see the table. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay, so I will use it in my table. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2 and sine 30 is 1 upon 2. You can check. Sine 60 root 3 upon 2, cos 30 root 3 upon 2, sine 30 1 upon 2, cos 60 1 upon 2, right? So we are using this value. Okay. Okay. Now root 3 times root 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 1 1 and 2 times 2 4. So we got 4 upon 4, which is 1. Simple, right? There is one more question in this worksheet. So you have to practice this worksheet on your own. The remaining one question I am giving you for your practice. Okay. You try it and you let me know if you have any problem. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope whatever we have discussed is clear to you. Okay. Thank you.